Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to RKP online classes. Let's practice capital cursive letters L and D. Look here. Upper line, middle line, base line, tail line. What we will do? We will start with middle line. Fine. See, from middle line till the upper line, you have to draw one slanting line. Okay? You don't have to stop your pencil. Look again. Start from middle line. Go till the upper line. Make a loop and come down. First of all, understand this thing only. How you have to do it. Middle to upper and come like this. Look again. Middle to upper and come like this. If you do like this बेटा, आप स्टैंडिंग लाइन बना के इसको ऐसे करते हो तो it will be wrong. Fine. Go like this and come down. This and come down. Clear? Now look here. Middle to upper. Come down. Now see what you have to do. पीछे से जाके from the back side. See what I have done. I have turned it back. Ab this is L. Look once again. Middle to upper. Come down. Make a loop from the back side and touch the line and do like this. This is L. Look once again. Middle to upper. Come down, loop from the back side and you have to touch this till the bottom line. This is L. Clear? Look once again. Middle to upper. Come till the base. Turn back and do like this. Letter L. Fine, beta. Now we will practice the letter D. Make a slanting line. See, little bit gap is there. I haven't touched the upper line. Fine. Below the upper line you are to start this. Make a slanting line. Same loop you are to make again. Make a loop. Touch this line and directly go upper and do like this. This is D. Look again. Do like this. Make a loop, turn it and leave it freely. This is capital D. Look once again. Slanting. Make a loop, touch bottom line and do it like this. This is capital D. Look again. Yes. Turn it. Capital D. Let's revise once again. See beta, how to make L. From middle line you are to start. Middle to upper. Come down. Turn it from back side and do it like this. This is L. Once again. Yes. This is letter L. Now let's practice D also. Slanting, make a loop same as L, go upper and leave it freely. This is D. Yes. Turn D. I hope letters L and D are clear to you all. Practice it properly. Okay. And don't forget to practice the previous letters also. Okay, beta. Have a good day. Do your work properly. Take care.